As you know, we are located at the center of a huge revolution in technology. Yes, we receive a surprise every day, and we are supposed to meet a different lifestyle, metaverse, cryptocurrency, and different news about technology with the same basic knowledge, blockchain. Today we have a simple explain about blockchain, and during this video we will focus on the latest technology and business that work through this knowledge. This is a different practical plan. So don't go anywhere and just come back. Hello guys, this is Ali, Business and Technology Scholar. In this channel I will share the latest article about business and technology, of course practical article and news which has a public usage. And today I'm here with a new topic, simple explain about blockchain and what is different between blockchain and cryptocurrency for beginner. Let's get started. If you would like to motivate me to share more video, just click on subscribe. Thank you. Okay. To understand, to have a better explain about blockchain, we need to have a small review about server. When you access to the website or any services that work on internet, in fact, you are accessing to the server. So server is a computer as a house for data. In the past, the largest internet companies such as Google use a massive server farms to store their databases, and only select number of people are allowed and approved to have access and control on databases, and they exist in one central location, central office. So we have a server farms in a one location. Okay, when we store data in this place, data could be lost if a fire broke out at the farms or hack occurred. That is why today databases are distributed among computers in different location. I mean, today we have a distributed databases, distributed server. Okay, therefore databases like these are called distributed databases. Now it should be easier to grasp blockchain, because blockchain is really just a form of distributed databases. But what is the difference between blockchain and distributed databases? The main differences are in the type of data, where it stores, allowed access, who is allowed to have access to the data. And the most important point about blockchain is that on blockchain data can't be edited or deleted and manipulated. Data can just be added and can't removed. Okay, this is an important point. Blockchain can be made permissionless. I mean, publicly accessible, such as some of the cryptocurrencies. For example, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a public blockchain and can be with the permission. And can be with the permission. Just allow people have access to the data. Now it's time to explain cryptocurrency. Crypto is such as a blockchain that stores payment transaction data. That's it. But why we call it blockchain? When a block fills up from transaction, this is a block, it's chained onto the previous block, and finally added to the long chain. Till now, we find that blockchain is a collection of computers to function and not stored in a central location. And highlight point needs to draw your attention to this point. If one computer goes down, plenty of others keep data alive, but still we have a serious problem. Now imagine that some of the block share wrong data. As example about time, some of computer says that time is 6 p.m. and other says 6 a.m. Which one is wrong? Pay attention now. We don't have a central office as an inspection. To solve this problem, Satoshi Nakamoto, he introduces a mechanism called proof of work, POW. In this method, each block make a special code and don't accept new block without testing. So here we have a test. So new block have to solve this test to accept by the chain. This way make blockchain security, and all block automatically decide about wrong or right data. This process commonly called mining. It was briefly and simple explained about blockchain. In the next video, we will talk about how cryptocurrency actually work. So if you are interested, don't forget to click on subscribe and bell icon. See you soon.